Numpy Introduction. Numpy. In this lesson we will learn the basics of numerical analysis using the Numpy package. Numpy Basics. Import Numpy as NP. Set seed for reproducibility. NP random seed. Seed equals 1234. Scalars. X equals NP array, 6, scalar. Print, X, X. Number of dimensions. Print, xdim, xdim. Dimensions. Print, X shape, X shape. Size of elements. Print, X size, X size. Data type. Print, X type, X type. 1D array. X equals NP array, 1.3, 2.2, 1.7. Print, X, X. Print, xdim, xdim. Print, X shape, X shape. Print, X size, X size. Print, X type, X type. Notice the float data type. 3D array, matrix. X equals NP array. Print, X, N, X. Print, xdim, xdim. Print, X shape, X shape. Print, X size, X size. Print, X type, X type. Functions. Print, NP zeros, 2, 2, N, NP zeros, 2, 2. Print, NP ones, 2, 2, N, NP ones, 2, 2. Print, NPI, 2, N, NPI, 2. Print, NP random random, 2, 2, N, NP random random, 2, 2. Indexing. Indexing. X equals NP array, 1, 2, 3. Print, X, 0, X, 0. X, 0, equals 0. Print, X, X. Slicing. X equals NP array. Print, X. Print, X column 1, X, 1. Print, X row 0, X, 0. Print, X rows 0, 1, 2 and calls 1, 2, N, X colon 3, 1, 3. Integer array indexing. Print, X. Rows to get equals NP arrange, len, X. Print, rows to get, rows to get. Calls to get equals NP array, 0, 2, 1. Print, calls to get, calls to get. Print, indexed values, X, rows to get, calls to get. Boolean array indexing. X equals NP array. Print, X, N, X. Print, X, 2, N, X, 2. Print, X, X, 2, N, X, X, 2. Array math. Basic math. X equals NP array, type equals NP float 64. Y equals NP array, type equals NP float 64. Print, X plus Y, N, NP add, X, Y, or X plus Y. Print, X, Y, N, NP subtract, X, Y, or X, Y. Print, X, Y, N, NP multiply X, Y, or XY. Dot product. A equals NP array, type equals NP float 64, we can specify type. B equals NP array, type equals NP float 64. Print A dot B. Sum across a dimension. X equals NP array. Print X. Print sum all, NP sum, X, adds all elements. Print sum by col, NP sum, X, axis equals 0, add numbers in each column. Print sum by row, NP sum, X, axis equals 1, add numbers in each row. Transposing. Print X, N, X. Print XT, N, XT. Advanced. Tile. X equals NP array. Y equals NP array, 5, 6. Adent equals NP tile, Y, len, X, 1. Print, adent, N, adent. Z equals X plus adent. Print, Z, N, Z. Broadcasting. X equals NP array. Y equals NP array, 5, 6. Z equals X plus Y. Print, Z, N, Z. Reshaping. X equals NP array. Print, X. Print, X shape, X shape. Y equals NP reshape, X, 2, 3. Print, Y shape, Y shape. Print, Y, N, Y. Removing dimensions. X equals NP array. Print, X shape, X shape. Y equals NP squeeze, X, 1, squeeze M1. Print, Y shape, Y shape. Print, Y, N, Y. Adding dimensions. X equals NP array. Print, X shape, X shape. Y equals NP expand IMs, X, 1, expand IM1. Print, Y shape, Y shape. Print, Y, N, Y. Additional resources. You don't have to memorize anything here, and we will be taking a closer look at NumPy in the later lessons. If you are curious about more, check out the NumPy reference manual.